सबीहा ऑनलाइन अकेडमी की वीडियोस को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलें।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 9th क्लास। आज हम रिव्यू क्लास 9th रिव्यू 3 चैप्टर नंबर 9 से लेकर 12 तक की सॉल्व करेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। डिस्क्राइब सम क्वालिटीज ऑफ द पर्सनालिटी ऑफ द नर्स इनटू द स्टोरी। She is a beginner in the profession of nursing. She is working in ICU of neurology. She is very sincere to her profession. She is so kind-hearted that she feels the pain of the injured. She is proud of her profession. Next, what are the causes of drug addiction? Drug addiction is caused by genetic and environmental factors. What is the role of counseling in preventing drug addiction? The factor that contributes in rehabilitation of the drug victim is proper counseling. The sooner it is done, the better for the victim. What are the responsibilities of the families to ensure the complete recovery of such patients? Doctor, family and friend must continue to critically watch and counsel the victim for better motivation and adjustment. How do you define noise pollution? Noise pollution is defined as any form of noise that disrupts the normal functioning of life. How is transport a source of noise pollution? Excessive use of vehicle horns is a main source of noise pollution. Airplanes, trains and ships are also sources of noise pollution for people living in colonies near airports and railway stations. What kind of precautions may reduce noise coming from electronic devices? Listening to loud music or watching TV on a loud volumes should be strictly prohibited. Excessive use of electricity generators and loudspeakers in residential areas should also be discouraged. The government of Pakistan should frame rules in this regard and strictly enforce them to reduce noise pollution. Next is, who was Helen Keller? Helen Keller was a woman who became deaf and blind at the age of 19 months. When she was 7 years old, Annie Sullivan took charge of her. She was a 20-year-old graduate of the Perkins School for the Blind. What did she want to introduce in universities and why? She wanted to introduce a compulsory course how to use your eyes in universities so that the professors would try to awaken the dormant and sluggish faculties of the blind and the deaf. Next, last, to me the pageant of seasons is an unending drama. Comment. This sentence tells that the change in seasons is endless. This is the law of nature. Next is vocabulary. Choose the correct option. The opposite of satisfied is unsatisfied. Choose the correct spelling. Convolutions. A. Convolutions. Which of the following means the same as gradually? Steadily. Which of the following does not mean the same as manifold? Few. Grammar. Choose the correct options. The teacher said to us, work hard. The teacher advised us to work hard. Which of the following is the phrase? In an unwise manner. Beside the ungathered rice he lay. The underlined phrase is a preposition phrase. He led a life devoid of blame. The underlined phrase is an adjective phrase. The moment which is lost forever. The underlined word is an relative pronoun. Why don't you go along with your brother? The government has levied more taxes, but the salary structure has not been improved. That was the reason why he came late. The underlined clause is an adverb clause. He came when night had fallen. The underlined clause is a adverb clause of time. They can stay where they are underlined. The underlying clause is an adverb clause of place. I am glad that you like it. The underlying clause is an adverb clause of reason. If I were you, I would not do that. This sentence is conditional type 2. So students, ये थी हमारी रिव्यू थर्ड चैप्टर नंबर 9 से लेकर 12 तक.